Hi, this nail was created using dual tips. Want to know what it is and how they work? Keep watching. To create it, I will be using Polygel Cover Pink, Sleep Solution Liquid for the brush. The brush will be Gelish number 10 Oval and dual tips. This is how they look. First, I take some amount of polygel and apply it right here. The difference is that dual forms cover the whole nail and dual tips, they are more curved, and we apply them the same way like we do with tips, only on the free edge. That's why they are called dual tips, but some people also call them dual forms with C-curve. I'm using Sleep Solution as well to apply the polygel. You can see marks on these tips, and it is very convenient as we need to create the same length on all 10 nails. Along the sidewalls, I'm trying to make the product thinner, as well as near the central cuticle zone. Even though the apex will be there, it's still better to add more product on the top rather than create it now. And I'm trying to make it as smooth as possible, which is not hard at all, as I'm using this brush together with the Sleep Solution. I think some corner is missing here, so I add a little more product with the spatula and stretch it with the brush, trying to make it as smooth and as even as possible. And then we need to prep the nail. It's already prepped. I remove the surface shine, then I apply dehydrator and non-acid primer. The prep is usual, like we always prep the nails for polygel application. Then we need to take the tip and carefully press it right here along the free edge. Oh my, I definitely should have taken less product. Then we cure in LED lamp for 2 minutes, just in case, and oh my god, this is really scary. I hope it will not fall off. Alright. Looks good. The surface is very smooth. I just definitely needed to clean this excess polygel. I apply more polygel with a spatula on the nail and will try to build the rest of the nail with just one step. First I work near the cuticle. Now I'm using the Gelish original brush for polygel, and I think it's really good for application near the cuticles and along the sidewalls, but honestly, to create the surface, the apex, I feel better about acrylic brushes, so probably in the future I will be using 2 brushes for polygel. We'll see. Once you created the cuticle area and the sidewalls, take a little more Sleep Solution and stretch it across the nail. Do not forget to build apex. It should be the thickest part of the nail, located in the center of the nail. Check if there are some product missing on the sidewalls and near the free edge. Also feel free to add. This is pretty easy as we already have a smooth foundation here. I still feel I need to pinch it, so I will do it with my pinching tool, and then I will apply a gel clamp and cure it for another 2 minutes in LED. And this is how the nail looks after application. Now I remove the sticky layer, and all we need to do is to slightly file the shape, the sidewalls, and a little bit near the cuticle. The surface is already pretty smooth as we had this smooth base, so this method definitely saves time in application and in filing. I'm also filing underneath to make it completely nice and smooth, and also we will need to buff it to make it very smooth for the application of the color. I'm using 180 buffer. Do not forget to buff the sidewalls and the shape and the corners. After filing and buffing, it's okay to wash client's hands, remove the dust, and then I will apply the color. I decided to use this new silver gel polish. The color is so beautiful, but we will definitely need at least 2 layers here. Apply first layer, cure, apply second, cure it again. 1 minute in LED is enough. Seal it with the top coat, and here we go. This is how the finished nail looks like. Honestly, I think this is a very good method and it definitely saves time. Unlike with traditional dual forms, the problem for me is that they don't have this deep C-curve, which Russian clients are so obsessed with, so I think this will definitely work. What do you guys think? Have you ever tried dual forms or dual tips, and are you using it to work with your clients? please share in the comments. I would really love to read them. If you enjoyed watching this video, do not forget to hit like and subscribe if you haven't yet. Thank you, see you next time, bye!